Hi guys and welcome to this video. So in this video I'll be doing the live trade today. So today is 12th of April and the time is almost 9:12 now. The market is not yet opened. So yes, I have selected ICICI Bank and Tata Steel for trading today, and I'll be trading on either of these stocks. One is from Nifty Metal, that is Tata Steel, and one is from Nifty Bank, that is ICICI Bank. Okay, and now let's see how the pre-open market has opened. So going to the pre-open market page, here you can see the Nifty 50 is opening at 0.51% down at 17,584.85. Advanced stocks are only 3, declines are 46, unchanged is 1 stock. So most of the stocks are opening in a gap down today. So let's see the gap opening stock right now. JSW Steel with only 0.26% up, Bharti Airtel with 0.25% up only. And coming to the stocks opening in the most gap down section, that is Hindu Unilever with 1.02% down, Hindalco with 1% down, and Grasim with 1% down. So yes, these are the pre-open market as open today. So just in few minutes I'll be showing you the live trade what I do today. And before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel will be amazing. You can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. I do upload a lot of educational videos, strategy, tricks, tips, a lot of things in my channel, and also I upload the everyday live trade what I do. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us now. We provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Okay, I have decided to go to trade with Tata Steel. I have not taken any entry yet. Once I take any entry, I'll update you guys, but we'll be trading on Tata Steel today. So guys, yes, right now I'm deciding to go short selling on Tata Steel in intraday. So let's short sell now around 1345 and see how the stock will perform. So guys, yes, we have entered a Tata Steel sell level around 1345, expecting the stock to come down because the market is also minus 5-6% down. So that's why I decided to go short selling. The market is also down and I selected short selling trend. So let's see how it will perform. So we are hoping the movement will be quick in Tata Steel as the stock price is high, so we can get our target soon also is what I am hoping. So I'll update you guys, planning to get like 5 to 6 points of target here in Tata Steel stock. So let's see how it will perform. The market right now is minus 52% down, 0.52% down. So let's see how it will perform. So as you guys can see, there's a support level in around 1345. So once that support level gives a breakout, I think then the stock can go down easily. So until it gives a breakout, that will take few minutes or time is what I am guessing right now. So anyway, we'll wait for that to happen. So yes, now you can see a breakout is happening near the support level 1343. Yes, so I think it will give a breakout now, and once the breakout is given, we can get some quick point is what I'm hoping. So let's see guys how it will perform, and once I take my exit, I'll update you guys. So until that, let's wait for the Tata Steel to perform. As you guys can see, the stock made a low of 1337 and I managed to take my exit around almost like 6 points. Okay, so yes, so this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of Tata Steel. So yes, if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join my courses now. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Okay, so you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. You can go into my channel and watch all the videos. So every day I upload like how much profit I made in intraday trading, so you can watch all of this performance, and you can also see my client screenshot of profit in my blog, which I've given in the link in the description below of this video. And if you guys are motivated to make consistent profit from today, and if you guys wish to learn the good techniques to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.